I went to Baba to offer book to the subtle region. As I reached the subtle region, I saw that Baba was having a bouquet of flowers in his hand. There were a variety of flowers. And I felt that Baba was coming towards the subtle region from elsewhere. I asked Baba, from where are you coming? Baba smiled a second. Baba said, this is the day of Sadguru. And in order to tour the centers, Baba goes out for touring early in the morning. Because some children at the centers, they offer bhog at Amritvela 4 a.m., some at 7 a.m., some at 8 a.m., according to their time. And when children remember the Father, invoke the Father, Baba suddenly reach that place. I said, Baba, you have toured, but you're also having beautiful flowers in your hand. Baba added that there are special flowers in my hand, and there is the speciality in these flowers. Wherever Baba had toured, and whichever center Baba went, there are many Baba's special children. There will be special souls. And those children are engaged in Baba's service through their mind, words, and deeds. And Baba is looking at the speciality of the children in these flowers. And therefore Baba is having different kinds of flowers. Sometimes some children are visible in front of Baba. The one who are not in thoughts or mind, that this one may be a special soul. And the children will be incognito effort makers. And very incognitively, they do service, they earn their income. And this bouquet belongs to those children. And when I saw bouquet in Baba's hand, I said, Baba, there are many other souls whose bhog I have brought. I have also brought the bhog of Dada Ratan, Om Prakash Indore, Kamla Ben Raipur. And therefore Baba said, you have only brought remembrance. But Baba has prepared the souls in the form of a bouquet. There are many children now, they are doing very good service, I don't take their name. In between, I got a smile internally. I thought Baba knows everything. The subtlety of the children is seen maybe in Baba's service, maybe in remembering Baba, maybe in the inculcation of their life. And Baba was looking in that form. Baba said, you have brought Dada's remembrance specially. The child's name is Ratan, Jewel. And therefore, this soul has got the part of doing service from the very beginning and has collected many blessings and has taken along with him. The child lived in the family and while being in the family had the stage of detachment. Baba was looking at the speciality of each and every one in the subtle world. And on the day of Sadhguru, Baba's children's remembrance reaches the subtle world very subtly. And Baba said, according to the time, on the basis of subtle effort, there should be attraction of Baba's remembrance and have to bring that experience in one's life. Very lovingly, Baba was saying this. There was a bog of many. Baba emerged them with a lot of love. Baba said, these are my special souls. And those who are loved by Baba, they will definitely be loved by the family. Baba looks at the speciality of the children. Baba doesn't look at the weaknesses of the children. Baba looks at the specialities of the children and feels a divine fragrance in them. Baba being a loving idol, Baba emerged all the children and with a lot of love, Baba fed both to Dada and also fed both to other souls. Baba said Baba is always having love and remembrance to the children. Every day, Baba gives a love and a remembrance. With a lot of love, Baba fed both to Dada and Baba also fed both to others. And Baba also accepted the bhog. Baba gave love and remembrance to all. I took Baba's love and remembrance and came down. Om Shanti.